Hello, my friends. I have some good news today, August 29, 2025. I just made all 800 tutorial videos free, available to everyone, to the entire public, for free. And there's this beautiful index to help you find a video on any topic that you're interested in. Up until now, you had to be a member, which costs $10 a month to have access to all of the videos. Now they're free, and I want to show you how to find the videos using this wonderful way to search for them. What you do is you go into your browser. You can do this on your mobile phone or on your computer. Go to astrologydc.com/videos. I'll say that again, astrologydc, that's one word, .com/videos. Videos must be in lowercase, videos. You go there, you'll see this screen. Now, if you're on your mobile device, of course, it looks different because you have a smaller area to look at, and I've optimized this so it looks good on both a full screen and on a mobile device. On a mobile device, you'll see these buttons that are on the left, which are the topics. So if you're interested in compatibility, you're interested in relocational astrology, whatever you're interested in, you go to that topic on your cell phone. Of course, you would tap the button, and then it'll scroll down and show you all the topics related to that. So here's 18 videos on relocational astrology. Makes it fun and exciting, easy to find what you're looking for. If you're beginning in astrology, you can go through these basic lessons. If you're advanced, there's so many advanced topics and so many different kinds of astrology, Vedic astrology, etc., all here. Now let me show you the second way to find a video. You can type a word that interests you. Like you can type progression. And then here's some videos on progressions, methods of calculating secondary progressions. There are actually different ways to calculate secondary progressions, changes the progressed descendant midheaven. If you didn't know about that, you can watch this video. It'll tell you about it. Something called Bija-corrected secondary progressions, and so on and so forth. So many things to explore. Suppose you're interested in a person. So, for example, Taylor Swift has been in the news lately. So if I start typing her name, there happens to be one video about her. It's about rectifying her chart. We don't have a birth time for her. You get the idea. You can type any word, and if it's in the title, you'll see all the videos with that in the title. And also, equally good, it just works differently, is using these topics. So if I go in here to planets, now I can see all the videos about meanings of the planets, meaning of the sun, the moon, etc. Here's one on Saturn. Saturn is not malefic. Let's see what that's about. Oh, down here, all these videos on Chiron, Ceres, so many fascinating topics. Let's go to this one on Saturn. I just click on it.
So innovative.
It takes us into
the strongest
this video
Venus
about Saturn. It's so exciting, and each one of these videos has new information, direct, clear stuff, not just repeating the usual stuff. Oh, Saturn is, restriction and blah, blah, blah. It's the archetype of the grandfather, etc. That stuff's fine, but here we go in to new, exciting, interesting ways of looking at things. So, for example, what we did in this video is looked at the people who have a planet conjunct Saturn. Here we're looking at Venus conjunct Saturn. Who among famous people has that with the smallest orb? Does this stuff really work? People say, oh, Venus, Saturn, you marry an older person, you have inhibitions in love. Okay, is it true? So we go in, we look at this stuff to do it in a kind of a reasonable way, and we come up with these 5 people. See what's going on. So this is fun, it's interesting, it's exciting. Whole new ways of looking at things using modern ways of understanding, not just repeating traditional beliefs or what somebody intuitively feels is right. So all of this information now for free, with 2 ways of getting in there, by topic or typing in a word. Wow, this is a huge resource. making it free. I'm hoping that this catches on, gets attention, and if people just watch it and you subscribe, which is free, it generates interest and support, helps me pay the bills. So all of this now available. By the way, if you teach classes, you could be using these videos as part of their homework. Wow. I mean, so much available. The membership, by the way, still exists, I think, for $10 a month. But now the membership basically just does one main thing, which is live meetings. If you want to meet with me live and other people interested in this stuff, ask questions, bring up topics. 2 meetings. The meetings are an hour and a half long. 2 meetings a month. So that's what that's all about, in case you're wondering what was that membership. Okay. Very exciting. All free. All available. Go for it. I hope everybody really gets a lot out of this. Well, thank you very much for listening, my friends. God bless. Namaste.